Hi, and welcome to 105 Willard. In this video, we will be going over how to use the Polyroom setup for conference video calls. If you are just using the room to join or host a meeting, use the Poly tablet on the table to join or start a meeting. To start a new meeting, just hit New Meeting and it will start. There will be a sharing key in the upper right of the TV for others to use to join in. The Polycam facing the room above the TV will be selected by default. It can be switched using the switched camera option on the tablet, and you can use the Brio camera from the top of the ceiling facing the front of the room, should you choose to do so. If you want to share content, just select the option on the tablet, choose how it's being shared between desktop or iPhone/iPad, and in browser or Zoom app. Then share join with the appropriate key or meeting ID. If joining a meeting from the room, choose the join option, then enter the meeting details. If you want to connect to the room from your own device, make sure the app's version of Zoom is updated to the most current version. Also, make sure the Wi-Fi you connect to is PSU wireless, not the PSU guest wireless. Then in the app, just select the room pairing icon on your device. It should be set up and ready to either join or host a meeting depending on your preference. When you're done, leave the meeting if you are joining in, or end the meeting if you're hosting it through the room tablet or through your connected device. Thanks.